Hey guys, it's Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost anything, and all we do is bring you Vegas. It'll really help us out. If you've been here before and not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for all of your support. We appreciate you guys so much. We're at Caesar's Palace. We're doing one night in the Octavius Tower. Just last week, we stayed in Augustus. We came down for one night because well, we just wanted to do one night in Vegas. This is room 5380. Here we are in the entryway, and it's just classic Vegas. It's nice, it's clean, nothing special, but it's a nice big entry area. Here's the bathroom. This is why we stay in Caesar's Palace. Let's go check it out. So right when you walk in, you're gonna notice it's a really big space. Right here, you have your shower. And this is a nice big shower, guys. If you don't feel like carrying this stuff, leave it at home. They've got you hooked up. And then, I've mentioned this before, I just like it for privacy. You've got a separate toilet area. Your own toilet area. It's nice space. Big counter, double sinks. I love double sinks in hotel rooms because Chris has all her stuff, I have my stuff. We're not in each other's way. Absolutely love it. And then you've got this guy. This is why we stay here. This big jacuzzi tub. And yes, we do use this every time we stay at Caesar's. It's perfect. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Let's check out the rest of the room. Right here, still in the entry. We're still in the entry area. Got your closet. I'm not the biggest fan of wall safes because you can't fit as much in it, but that's what they got over here at Caesar's. One thing that I noticed, there's no ironing board, but you have a nice steamer. Check that guy out. I like it. And then right opposite, which makes sense, right? By the closet, here's your mirror. Make sure you're looking good. All right. Let's go in. So, you got this big area over here. On one side, you've got 3 drawers. Quite a room over here. And then on the other side, this is the mini bar. And it is loaded. And it's expensive. You cannot take any of that out and put your own stuff in there. You will get charged. They are cracking down on, oh, I didn't know, it was just a bottle of water. They will charge you. You're gonna get charged. Same thing with this stuff here. You will get charged. You've seen those videos about like $18 bottles of water and all that stuff? It's a real thing, so don't do it. Oh, I almost forgot. There's a Keurig in every room, but there are no pods. If you bring your own pods, go across the street, go CVS, go ABC store, get your own K-Cups. You can use this for free, and you don't have to stand in that crazy Starbucks line downstairs. And this is a 1 king. You've got your end tables on each side. One thing that I really like that they've been doing is this. Extra charging. You've even got C-types, 2 USBs, and 2 plugs. So leave your extension cord at home.
Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection.
And then you've got this big living room area, which I love this space because Christine sleeps in. I'm an early riser. I can hang out over here in the morning, have a cup of coffee, check my emails, get anything done that I need to get done without bothering Christine. So, even number rooms, you're gonna have Bellagio view on this side. Odd number, you have the pool view on the other side because the towers run parallel to Flamingo Boulevard right here. So we have an even room, we've got a Bellagio view. It's not the best actually, but let's go check it out. This is it. Bellagio view, just like I said. Nothing spectacular, but you've got Paris over there. So we'll get the lights at night. which is really nice. And then to the right, you can see the Orleans way down there and the highway. Again, not the best view, but it is what it is. All right, guys, it is checkout day, and we had another great stay here at Caesar's Palace. This is not sponsored. Nobody pays us for our social media, any of it. We just wanted to share our experience with you guys. We love this room. Highly recommend the Octavius Tower. If you're looking for extra space, that big jacuzzi tub is just perfect, and we do use it every single night. So, the hallways are really long in the Octavius Tower. This one was a little bit further away from the elevators. It's fine for us, but if you're looking to be closer to the elevator, just let them know at check-in, because again, these hallways are really long. So that's a tip right there for you guys. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you guys stayed at Caesar's Palace? What is your go-to room at this property? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, if you haven't already, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel if you're not already, and if you are, thank you guys so much for supporting our channel. We really appreciate it. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.